Good morning, students. This is social teacher. This is time for social studies. Today I am going to start new lesson, that is the natural realms of the earth. The scientists, those who study about the earth, is called as earth scientists. They usually talk of four natural realms on the earth. The word realm means an area which have some common features. According to the earth scientists, there are four natural realms are there. One is lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. There are four natural realms are there. In this chapter you will learn some broad features of these four realms and how they are interrelated, and also how human beings interact with them. We will learn about this. Lithosphere. Lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top part of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered with a thick layer of soil. You know, we are all using the hard rocks and minerals nowadays. They are extracting from the earth. It is covered with soil. We are using the soil to cultivate the crops. In Greek, litho means stone or rock, and sphaira means sphere or ball. It is not a smooth surface as you see on the globe. When you see the globe, it is looking very smooth. Why lithosphere not appearing to see with a smooth surface? Because it has different kinds of landforms. For example, it consists of high mountains, plateaus, low plains, deep valleys and very deep basins. Very deep basins filled with water. For example, oceans. Many of these landforms features are shaped by wind and water portions of this crust, dust and air. These are all shaped the landforms on this earth. When the lithosphere heats up or cools down, it influences air and water. Human beings and most other living beings live on this realm. In this chapter, we will study about lithosphere in greater detail. Coming chapters, we will study about hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere elaborately. Hydrosphere. The realm of water is called hydrosphere. It comes from the Greek word hydr. Hydr means water. Some part of the water is found deep down under the earth among the rocks. 71% of the surface of the earth covered with water, 29% of the surface of the earth covered with land. We can see the water on this earth in the form of rivers, lakes, seas and oceans. Deep down the ground, water is available and mineral water also available. Atmosphere. The thin layer of air that surrounds the earth is called as atmosphere. The word atmos means vapor in Greek language. Atmosphere consists of a large number of gases. They are oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapor and dust particles. These are all the gases included in atmosphere. Another realm, biosphere. The realm of life, including bacteria which live high on atmosphere or in deep oceans, constitutes the biosphere. The word bios means life in a Greek language. All the life needs the presence of all the three realms: land, water, and air. How do the biosphere using above three realms? For example, human beings using the lithosphere to cultivate the crops, to build the homes. Along with the human beings, birds, animals, and other living things using the water, that is hydrosphere. Along with the human beings, birds, animals, and some other living things using the water abundantly. Mostly human beings are using the water for the purpose of cultivation, for the purpose of industrial use, and for the purpose of domestic use. We are all breathing the air from the atmosphere. We are getting the oxygen from the atmosphere. Like this, biosphere depends on lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. Now we will study about landforms elaborately. Lithosphere deals with the land we live upon. As you know, the crust of the earth is uneven because it consists of mountains. These are all the hills, different kinds plains, of landforms, and plateau lands. The very low basins are filled with water. Then there are the continents. These are called by geographers as the first order landforms or the primary division of the earth's crust. As I taught to you, the surface of the continents is not even. They have plain lowlands, plateaus, and high mountains. Because of the internal process of the earth, these landforms were formed. They are mountains, plains, and plateaus. They are called as second order landforms by geographers. Children, do this exercise. Map 1, world map given here. Here, continents and oceans you have to observe. Use the brown color to identify the continents and blue color for oceans, and write the name of a continent and ocean.